So I'm riding in the junk mobile and I say, oh my god, a gas can. These are all over the road here. They fall out of trucks. People just leave them in the back of their pickup truck bed, not strapped down. The wind takes them and they blow them out all over the place. So I go, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look, oh, it's kind of bad. Midwest can, like brand new, 2-gallon. Has a nozzle on it. It's like, alright, the nozzle's worth something. The nozzle's gonna be good. Nozzle's good. Has this stupid new EPA screen in it. This is meant so people can pour gas on fire. Why would you pour gas on fire? When I was a kid with a crazy man when he was in the fire department, yeah, we used to see a lot of stupid shit. I used to go right around and saw my share of people lighting things on fire. Big old dent in the bottom. I bet I can get that out. Does not leak. Does not leak at all. So, ding, dent. The rest of it's just a little scratched up. I think it's gonna be fine. It's nice thick plastic. Got a heat gun. I got this, and we got glue tabs, but I gotta get this out though. And I'll show you how to pry this out. You need to use a screwdriver. There's a clip here and a clip on this side, both sides, because you don't need that. Alright, glue tab didn't work for shit. I'm going in, pop it up on the inside. Screwdriver. If I mess up my can, don't worry about it. It's already kind of messed up. And then you can get those tabs. And you should be able to just pull it up with pliers. It works quite well. All the tabs are on the other side. I had it the wrong way. Put them this way. Could have sworn they were the other way. But yeah, we don't need this. And this makes it very difficult for filling. And then you have all these idiots in line at the gas station. And the thing keeps on overflowing. Let me get something long in here now. Pry that out. It's a thick can. Maybe we won't be able to fix it, I don't know. And blow it up with air too, that would work. Yeah, you got a dented gas can at night, screw those glue tabs. Heat gun? Yeah, that's what's left of it. We'll get it out. That little dent in the corner, I just went around the heat and it popped right out. The plastic wants to return to what it was. Yeah, it's a good can. I think the bottom's a little wacky on it. We'll do some more heating and cooling and it'll be just fine. But yeah, someone left her for dead in the middle of the road. I was probably the only person to fix it. Cool, we got that out. Usable can. This scratched up. We'll go either sand it or we'll do a little melt job. Use this original plastic. Yeah, 2-gallon. We got another 2 gallons of storage. I'll do the video of the spout in a minute that the people have copied on mine many times. Yeah, that's fine. I ain't worried about a little thing over there or anything. This thing got the beans, but it doesn't leak and it stays even. Nice save, I would say. Jammed on the brakes in the truck. A gas can. Oh, we need 2 people for the gas can. Gas can on the side of the road. You know, this is gonna be going on for a long time because you gotta run out. And just the cap, a little scratched up, and they didn't watch my my video to do the spring mod. Some other guy did though, and he copied my whole shit. POS. I said that's worth, you know, a free find right there, the spout. That got a little work. No, that's fine. This is sitting out there, probably in the rain. It got ran over a couple times. Oh, that's good. Polish that up with a 1000 grit. I'll heat that up and bend that back right now. And it's good to go. Free, I guess, kind of. Pretty cool. Gotta get that thing out now. Peel back label for instructions. Yeah, old and new cans though, they have this stupid thing in it. You don't need it. And I think the plastic fell off inside of it, didn't it? No, it's still in there. Fuck. That's gonna be fun to get out. We'll get it out. It's in there somewhere. Let's see how good Midwest is. Maybe they'll send me a label. I cooked the label on it. Not that I really need it, but we'll see. Pretty even. I got glue on it from the failed attempt. We've still got that. We'll get out tomorrow. We got that squared away. We'll do a little plastic welding. We get that out. It stays on the ground. It's even. Not bad for a free can. This gotta get sanded out. It's so humid out here, I'm dying. But now we have to do a mod that the people have copied from me personally so many times. Take that spring out in here. So what are you gonna do? Push it down, pick that O-ring out. Picked out the O-ring, now this thing shoots out. Get that spring out. This guy copied me. He really did. He copied that whole thing. You put this back, and you put that O-ring back in when you're all set. Hold on, it's a little not squared up over here. Maybe they changed the design. They watched my video. No, they didn't. Put the O-ring back in. You're good to go. Now it's manual. The guy freaking copied me. He has like 1 million views now. That piece of shit. I'm not gonna mention your name. Manual. Easy. Alright. Free gas can. Now I got 7 gallons of free storage. I found that 5-gallon over there in the trash like 2 weeks ago. If you lost your gas can in the back of the truck, right on that road over there next to condo land, next to the stadium, ha ha ha, on you. I got it. I fixed it. It's mine now. Thank you very much for being stupid. We still gotta clean it up a little bit. That's a fine can. Got that dent right out. Heat gun.